What's going on, everybody? So I got some exciting news about the Elite Credit Repair Program. As you all know, I have lowered the price and I decided to keep that price for 2024. So it's $150 to start and $129 a month, whereas previously it was $200 to start and $179 a month. So I always want to add as much value as I can. It's almost like the pre-litigation. It is a little bit different. I have a different set of attorneys that are going to help me sue for FDCPA violations. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to be sending separate letters to all the collection agencies to try to trick them up into violations so we can sue them. This is all included in the Elite Credit Repair Program. Now, there is going to be a little more work on your half as well, so just hear me out, because you are going to have to do this if you want to sign up for the Elite Credit Repair Program and maximize your results. You are going to pull your credit report from annualcreditreport.com, because we can see more violations and more inaccuracies in those reports versus Smart Credit and My Free Score Now. Now, we will keep My Free Score Now just for the monthly updates. Still going to need a picture of your driver's license, picture of your social, and proof of address, which can be a utility bill, gas bill, electric bill, water bill, bank statement, pay stub, or a cell phone bill. Has to have your name, your address on it. But again, this is huge because we're going to also be suing for people that are in the Elite Credit Repair, not just the pre-litigation. The pre-litigation goes a lot more in depth and you can make a lot more money in that one, but now you can also get paid in the Elite Credit Repair Program as well as get those deletions. If y'all have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great night.